Hi everyone, today I am reviewing something special today, and that is the Raspillere Umbrella Windshield Sunshade. This is a very unique sunshade, and I'll tell you why and what my thoughts are at. I've reviewed a couple different ones here on the channel, so if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel so you are notified of other car products. So let's jump right into it on why I like this one a lot, including there's pros and cons to this umbrella sunshade, my thoughts, and we can go forward from there. Thanks. All right, so first off, it comes in this nice, very nice velvet carrier, case carrier you put the umbrella in. I was really astonished that it came into this. Not a lot of accessories come in these nice little packages and whatnot. Don't know if I'll be using it or putting it back in here, but it helps conceal it and make it look nice in the car. Second off, these are the instructions. So if you guys like to pause the video and knowing how to set this up is pretty straightforward in terms of setting it up. I'll go ahead and let you guys look at this and pause it if you like. All right, so I just took it out of the velvet cover, and let's jump right into it. This is a customized fit umbrella sunshade. So every Raspillere, sorry for mispronouncing it if I am, is all customized. So depending upon your vehicle that you purchase, it's going to be based upon that, which is really great because there's no gaps or areas where the sun can come into your windshield, into your vehicle, and damaging it and making it hot. It's kind of interesting, but it also states that it has a nano ice crystals coating that claims superior UV protection, which aligns with industry-leading products. So a lot of products out there are providing or blocking 99.9% of UV rays. This will do the same. It's claiming to reduce 20 to 30 degrees of temperature in your vehicle, usually about the same with other ones. But this one's very different, which I'll show you here in a second. So as you can see right here, I've kind of opened up a little bit. There is a little push button right here that when you push it, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, it will propagate open. So let me go ahead and try that out here. All right, so as you can see right here, it is propagated open. This one goes over the rear view mirror in the car. You can see right here how it's opened up. This is a soft touch. It's like it's not plastic. It's kind of plastic, but like a rubberized, squishy plastic here, which is nice because it's not hard. It doesn't break stuff. You're also able to remove this. I wouldn't recommend it. Just keep it on. Has a spring-loaded area right here where it pushes. Overall, this is customized. Like I said, depending upon your vehicle, this is customized. So let's go ahead and take a step back on how it looks like. It's pretty big. This is now for the Honda CR-V. So I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested. There's a variety of different vehicles. They've got Ford Explorers, RAV4, Honda CR-V, a variety of different ones. But based upon this, I mean, you can tell right here is a thin fabric, but it does the job. It protects the interior. And it looks like a little glossy here on the outside and whatnot. So there you guys have it. That's a full review of the product. I will leave a link down below in the description of if you'd like to purchase it based upon your specific vehicle. But the pro is this. All sunshades out there are kind of not customized. They're basically cookie cutter for all commercial vehicles or all vehicles. This one's specific to every vehicle. So it's going to block out all the sunlight from every edge. So this is the reason why this one is better than most. Is pre-templated based upon your specific vehicle. In terms of the materials, I think it's okay. It blocks out the heat from the sun shield. That's what you want in terms of it. It's pretty lightweight in terms of the material, which I do appreciate. And overall, the price point is pretty damn good. So I'll leave a link down below in the description. Comment down below if you tried this one or any other sunshade for your vehicle. windshield sunshade. Like to review it here on the channel. With that said, subscribe with the notification bell so you are alerted of new videos, and see you guys next time.